Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Optimistic. I am here today to bring you guys another update on the stimulus update for the direct Christmas bonus of $500 payments being sent out now to families. This is for Tennessee residents who are eligible for the state's Families First program. Can expect to see an extra $500 payment this month, with checks expected to arrive by the end of this month. Now, the one-time payment is the third of its kind from the Families First program to be sent out to families over the last year. Before the pandemic, payments from the FFP were somewhat rare, according to the state's officials, but they have become more common after the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. Those who are eligible for the program typically see a payment of around $382, but some recipients have seen payments up to $1,400 over the last year. According to the local news station WGJHL, some of those increased payments were due to an additional back-to-school payment distributed earlier this year. We've accumulated several $million in a reserve fund, said State Representative David Hawk. So we've got the monies available to go out. And number two, it is time of the year where families can be completely stressed out. So Hawk said the program helps families navigate financial strains by addressing families' specific needs. Several of the recipients are usually employed, he said, and can enroll in career development training through the program. These are folks that should be able to recognize where their family's greatest needs are, whether it be through childcare, whether it be through some type of gift, whether it be through the car just had some problems and we need to make some repairs there, he said. This will give families that latitude to be able to take care of life. And that is it for the Tennessee residents. If you are a Tennessee resident and there is a stimulus check coming out to you guys of $500 in one-time payment, so be on the lookout for that. Now, you guys, that'll be all for this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Hello, you can say hello. How are you doing, Miss Optimistic? I will speak right back. So, yes, just remember to stay focused. Don't let anyone knock you off your pedestal. You got this, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.